Welcome back everyone to Property Couple. So we are actually sitting inside our latest project, which is a 4-bed, 4-ensuite HMO that has just been refurbished.
Well, I mean, we'd obviously seen the pictures, but this is our first time actually walking in the completed project. So we wanted to do a little show around for you and show you the befores and afters. Also, we've been doing the classic kind of Instagrammy, like before and after,
TikTok.
So definitely go follow us on there if you're also on Instagram or TikTok, because we need to get on it with the music, the videos, all of that.
I consume too much TikTok. We should actually start doing our own.
Honestly, he's on TikTok all the time. I'm just like, okay, you either need to be a creator on it or you're not allowed to be on it. You can't just be a consumer. So
there you go. I was told. But we're super excited to show you around this property, and that's what we're going to do right now. Lia is going to open the door right now.
Hello, welcome to our completed latest project. Come on in. Cafetiere there. So this is a communal room, and you may remember these used to be stairs. Nice wood panelling, painted blue. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1, and bedroom number 1 actually has its own entrance. So bedroom number 1 can use the main front door to the property, which was the old front door, or it can use the one that we entered in just a moment ago. So this is a nice airy room, a little ensuite here. So that's all the rooms. The front garden and the back garden are still a little bit of a work in progress, but they're going to be done before any tenants move in, which is really great. We've done all the little staging here, some nice little touches. I love the way these plates look, even though there's no cutlery on the table. It just helps sort of like set the impression that this place will feel like home, because it will be a home to 4 people.
How does it feel for the project to be complete? Because we've had some delays with this project. We've had global pandemic. You know, we chose to put en-suites in when originally the plan wasn't with en-suites.
Yeah, it feels good because obviously we had to wait a little bit longer for the en-suites to go in, but then when we spoke to our investor about that delay, he was like, what? This has happened so much quicker than I expected. And I was like, oh. It was just long for us, but for other people they're like, God, that happened quickly. I think because you and I were like 16 weeks, this is the schedule, following the works. Whenever there was anything delayed, we were just a bit like, but no, it's good. It's really, really good to have it done, have so much interest, loads of viewings this week. I'm sure by the time this video goes up, all the rooms will be full. I will actually insert on screen if they all did get full by the time this video goes up. And I don't know if we'll be able to come round because this will be tenanted, so this won't be our domain. We're here to get as much filming as we can.
What would a top tip be that you would give anyone trying to invest in an HMO?
Go and do the learning like what we did, because I think there's so much to think about along the way. There's so many things that also went wrong that I didn't want to document along the way, the things that went wrong, but I think maybe in future projects there could be an opportunity to document those things. I didn't want it to be like really dramatic, because with this it's like, okay, that's gone wrong, let's find a solution. Do you know what I mean? Whereas we could have easily just dwelled on the fact that things weren't happening, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I'd say doing our homework and surrounding ourselves with people that know what they're doing as well was the best thing we could have done, which we did. So yeah.
Would you say we've learnt a lot doing this?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I think we've learnt a lot. I mean, today, for instance, like, the valuation came round and it was really nerve-wracking, because it was like, that's the only bit you can't control of this whole process. You can't control what a valuer is going to say this property is worth. So you can make a rough guess, but you'll never know. So yeah, I was feeling a little bit nervous about that, but pulling that money out of this one, put it into the next one, it's all going to go well, and we'll see you guys on our channel documenting the future projects.
Can I just say something?
Yeah.
Hello.
Was it
me you're looking for? Is it me or was it me?
I actually don't know, I'm just offended by your singing.
Hello. She said
also,
she was offended.
All the fire doors as well are so heavy, but you forget that that's just something you have to do to be compliant with HMO.
It's a good workout.
So you have to push these doors open quite a bit to get them open. They also, fire door keeps shut, got all the stickers, got all of the correct safety
fire blanket?
things. Fire blankets there. Didn't show you guys the massive cylinder, the boiler. I mean, not that it's very shiny or sexy, but
we need a big boiler to cope with 4 tenants. So
this is, it's pretty big. That was probably one of the biggest expenses.
Looks like you've got a big one there.
Yeah, it is a big one. And yeah, the garden is still a work in progress, but we will show you if you want to have a look around, but this will all be finished before anyone moves in. Oh yes. This is the sink from the original farmhouse kitchen. It hasn't been sold. A lot of people are like, what do you do with the sink? The oven's gone. I don't know where it went to. I think one of the builders sold it. But the shed has been cleared. It just had junk in it. And the shed is now completely clear for anyone to put their stuff in. Yeah, so it's literally just free for people to put their stuff in if they want to store any garden furniture in there. This is a bit of a work in progress, but this will all be done ASAP. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. It's been a really, really great learning curve doing this HMO, and yeah, I think HMO is going to remain part of our strategy, but we're definitely keen to also do other things, because you don't want to be like locked in one box. Do you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
So we hope you enjoyed that walk around, guys. As you can see, there's only a few little tweaks to be done. The garden, which is like a half-a-day job. Sorry if that's offensive to anyone who loves gardening, but we're actually not going to be doing like grass. It's all just going to be very low maintenance garden. Pebble, what are they called? The pebble dash stones? We were looking at them online, and
some sort of like
put the lining down.
Chipping.
Yes. Basically, why did I say pebble dash? Isn't that the word for when we release?
Pebble dash is what we've got on the outside of this house.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah. I got a bit of a mind blank then. Yeah, it's gonna be a really low maintenance garden, and then the front garden, which you might have seen in other videos, is all just gonna be like, just get all the weeds out of there before tenants are in, because you don't really want that first impression of the house to be like, you know, broken down.
Yeah, but all in all, we're happy. We're happy with this one, and it's just amazing that we can like share it with you now.
Isn't it funny that you didn't think the feature walls were finished, and I was like, no, the wood chip, that's the feature wall, and you were like, oh, I was like, I chose it from the mood board.
I just haven't got any style, so that's what it is.
And you kind of left the colours and stuff to me, like in terms of choosing like the yellows and the blues and stuff. And originally I was thinking like, yeah, it'll be perfect. And I mean, I did think like maybe I've made the space look a bit too small with the dark colours, but now that I see it, it's actually fine.
Yeah.
But that was what was a worry.
Sent some photos to our investor this morning. He was super happy. So everyone's happy.
Everyone's happy.
Yeah.
Win, win, win.
Win, 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 win.
Win. All right. Thank you guys so much for all your lovely comments, and for all the horrible ones too. I mean, there've been quite a few horrible comments, but they're just, you find them so entertaining.
I find them funny.
I just keep them there. I don't even delete them. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one. I'm super excited as well.
See you later.
Bye.